What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today, and today I present to you a Jamaican strong back name. We must breed it, yeah? So stay tuned while I show you how to make this Jamaican strong back. Alright? Must breed it.
You feel be my baby mother.
Must breed it.
Nobody can't tell me nothing. Yeah, you my baby. I love you.
Alright, so here we have our blender ready. We have some ice, about 4 cube of ice, 4 to 5 cube of ice over here. We have the raw peanut. We have the vanilla essence over there. The dragon, magnum. Yeah man, supple gent for boots for your some sweet milk. We have the banana, we have the Lasco peanut and the oats. Alright, so let me add our ice first. Ice first. Alright, so after we add our ice, we are going with our peanut next. Peanut. Yeah man, forget that taste. And now we are going with our banana, or 2 banana that we have. We put in it. Yeah man. And then after our banana, we're gonna go in with our oats. We are add about a cup of oats to get that nice taste what we are look for now. Yeah man. After the oats, we're gonna add our Lasco peanut. Yeah man, that tastes so nice. Lasco peanut, may I tell you, tastes so nice. And let's go in with our supplement, you know, after we add our Lasco. We are going to go in with our supplement. It boots me up. Alright? All our supplement we are use. We are going with all our supplement. Yeah man. After the supplement, we are going to go in with our magnum. We are going with all of the magnum. No left none. After our magnum, we are going with dragon. All of the dragon we are going with too. Now we use none. And then we are going to blend up. Yeah man, run the blender hot. We are blend up. But wait, I'm not add the vanilla essence. Let's add 2 teaspoons of the vanilla essence there. 2 teaspoons of the vanilla essence. We give that flavor. Yeah. 2 teaspoons. And we are going to blend it up. Alright? Run the blender. So now we're gonna add some of our condensed milk, as you can see, or sweetened milk, just to up the sweetened content of it. You don't have to add a lot because remember you add in your Lasco. Alright? This is the Jamaican strong back drinks. Name must breed it. Alright, so about that amount. And then we're gonna do our final blend.
Must breed it.
So now our strong back drinks is ready. As you can see. Look at the texture of it. Ready. Yeah. All of those peanuts. These drinks make you make babies. Right? Yeah, man, so all the wives and what they make sure you guys blend this drink for your husband, yeah? Pour it. Look at the texture. Look at the texture. Wow. So good. Alright guys, and here you have it. Your Jamaican strong back drinks name. We must breed it. Alright? Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah man. Alright? So stay tuned. We love you now.